Let's fill out the Kansas motorcycle bill of sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. When selling a motorcycle in this state, here is what you need to know. First, you will need to handle the certificate of title. The title must be assigned as part of the transfer process, so make sure that paperwork is ready to go. If there is a lien holder on the motorcycle, a lien release will be required, and that lien release must be notarized. So plan ahead, because getting something notarized can take a little extra time. When it comes to signatures, all persons listed must sign the documents. And the bill of sale itself needs to be signed by both the seller and the buyer. You will also need to include the asking price on the bill of sale, so make sure that is clearly written in. Now, regarding the odometer, this motorcycle is exempt from odometer certification requirements pursuant to federal law. So you do not need to worry about that disclosure. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.